Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be removing the Whitestone dome glass screen protector from the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I always get questions asking on how the actual display is going to end up if we do end up taking this screen protector off. Is it going to damage it, or will it still be okay? Well, in this video, we're gonna see, and I'm gonna show you how you can remove it. So there's two ways you can do this. You can simply just stick your nail up at the top, either left or right corner, and as you can see, it will start peeling up like that. But to do it in a little bit more of a safer way to ensure that this screen protector does not crack, or if it is cracked already, to ensure that it does not crack more, you want to use a blow dryer to just kind of heat it up a little bit. You don't want it too hot, but you do want to heat it up a little bit and it'll come off nice and easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the blow dryer here. No, this is not sponsored by Conair. This is just the blow dryer that we have here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put it on low. Just kind of want to heat all the way around the screen protector. Get it nice and heated up. You can also do this with the heat gun, but you don't want to do it too hot either. You don't want to mess up your actual display on your device, just until it's, pretty warm. And also make sure your device is off. That feels pretty warm to me. Looks like we're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and continuing just pulling up. I'll go and slide my fingernail around this way towards the center. And then once it gets about a little close to halfway, I'll see if I can fit my finger under there so I can start pulling on it. And what I do is I pull out and up, not just straight up, because if you pull straight up, there is still a chance you can crack it right in the middle. So I pull out and up. Here it goes, almost there. And voila, look at that. The screen protector itself is still good. And look, I haven't even wiped down the display or anything, and it is still good, clean looking, brand new. And we can also turn it on as well. Let's go ahead and let it boot up. Okay, so the screen is all booted up and ready to go. As you can see here, responsiveness is working fine, going from screen to screen. No damage was done to the display itself. If you get a really close look on here, I haven't even wiped it down yet or anything, and there is actually no need to wipe it down. So as you can see, no damage is going to happen to the display itself if you do end up removing the Whitestone dome glass screen protector. I hope this video was able to help somebody out and answer your questions on that. Don't forget to use a blow dryer if you do have one available, just to make the process easier for yourself and risk this screen protector from breaking more if it is broken, or if it is not broken, it'll just come off a lot easier. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other videos to come. Again, this was the Whitestone dome glass removal on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.